Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's World and happy Sunday. So today I went shopping and as you know, I bought more slime. I bought this is my third slime from this chick. I do need one more before I complete this collection. And then I bought another one from the second series. And to my eyes, it looks like I'll be getting this one, which is called So Jelly. Not sure yet, but let's have a look. So I got my little X-Acto knife, got a little bear. So we're gonna open this one first because I don't like her, but I just need to collect the last two characters, and then I have one more, and then I'll be done, and then I can just carry on collecting the other slime, like the other characters from series 2. So yeah, so let's open this. Wee-hoo. So these are the ones I got. I already have this one, the Clee slime and the cloud slime, and now the glossy slime. The last one I just need is the butter slime with the little dog, and then I can throw away the collector's guide. So I have both slimes. The add-ins I do not care about, I don't put them in. The creature, the little add-ins, and the container. So this is the container. I'm gonna open the character first. Yay! So I got the little owl. So this is my second owl because I've already got an owl from the first series. And then I'm gonna open this little one. So so I got the little owl face, a little flower or leaf, and another apple. Okay, time for the slime. So this is a glossy slime. Oh. Doesn't smell good. What the hell? Ew, this stinks. Sweet citrus. More like bad citrus. Anyways. Okay. It does smell nice though. It smells better than the other two slimes that I got from her. Because the other one that I got was a Clee slime and it smells like jasmine. And then roasted pistachios, which is the cloud slime. But oh well. Okay. Open up the other packet. Wee. Ooh. This one's blue. Blue. Oh, smells so nice. Alright, let's mixy. I'm gonna make a nice marble. Ugh. Okay, we got it to a nice light purple. It stinks, honestly, but oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one away. Yay. And then now my hands are dirty, but I'm gonna open this one. Actually, I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Okay, I'm back with my clean hands. We're gonna open this one. Yee! Oh no, I'm starting to peel. Alright, get the X-Acto knife out again. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Put this away so I do not cut myself. I would not want that to happen. So this is just the instructions of how to do it. Obviously I've done this so many times, I know how to do it. And then obviously you get the collector's guide, which I've already got one, so don't need that. We got the slime, the add-ins, which actually look really cute, I may add in. We got the little character, the little add-ins, and then the container. So let's open this, and we also get a sticker. So yes, I was right, we got the So Jelly. This is number 17 out of the collection. Yeah. Okay, so container, I'm gonna open up the character. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a little cat holding a little seashell. That's so wholesome. Okay, and then we've got the little mix-ins, which I don't put in, but we got a little cat face, a seashell, and a little starfish. That is so cute. Okay, so container, I'm gonna actually put in, I'm gonna open the little add-ins, and then we're gonna open the slime. Ooh, oh, now this smells good. Don't know what it smells like though, but and it's nice and sticky, which means the add-ins aren't gonna fall out, because I don't really want the add-ins all over my house. Oh, and it's such a pretty purple color. Alright, let's, oh, it's so sticky. I find that the clear slimes out of this slime is like really freaking sticky. Okay, put that in, and then just sprinkle a little bit of the add-ins and put the rest in the bin. But look how cute that is. Oh my god, so cute. I think this is grape scented. Okay. Let's have a see on the collector's guide to see what scent it is. Yes, I was right. So it's grape jelly, and it's a common. So it's not a really special one, but that is all good. And it just actually smells so freaking yummy. Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Just really freaking sticky. And all of the add-ins are falling out of it. I'm gonna have to, I might need to put a bit of activator in. You know what? I'm gonna clean this mess up and just go and grab my activator. I'll be back. Okay, I got my activator. I'm gonna have to open it because it's a new one. So grab my X-Acto knife. Oopa. Okay. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Just 2 drops. And then just mix that in. Because I like slime, it's just I don't like it when it's so sticky. Okay, I'm just going to put 1 more drop in. Just a tiny one. Oh my god. Okay, we fixed it now. It still smells like jelly, like grape, so it's pretty good. But unfortunately, it's, you know, not so sticky, which is good. Okay, I'm going to close it up so I don't waste it. Because it's a new one. I'm going to need to clean it though. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want me to do more of these videos, then I will for sure, because I need to get more. So bye guys, till next time.